We need a lot of new projects. IEA had this famous report where they stated that we need to build 500 megawatt of new heat pumps every month to reach this huge amount of potential that has to be tackled to reach the climate goals. All these projects where we put a technology out in the field for the first time and see how it behaves in reality and can learn from it really pushes the technology forward.
In the Spirit project, it is installing 4 megawatt of pentane heat pump, delivering 140 degrees steam for a sugar company. So this only covers a small part of the whole process.
In terms of our VICINITY project, we are expecting to have that whole system up and running in 2028. With proving that this can be done, producing steam from river water source, the people see there is a real viable solution to quickly get decarbonisation results.
Our AHEAD project is a first of its kind demonstration in industry. We showcase the steam production with high temperature heat pumps that are using natural refrigerants. This is where research becomes reality, and what we need is proof in real applications.
This has been an eye-opener to take on such a project. We have seen the outcome was very good. I think this has opened the eyes for a lot others in the industry, and hopefully we'll start to see more similar projects.